because we feel like me did I go mad. I just feel like me have to come say something.
Hello sir, get your coffee up tomorrow Valentine's. Tomorrow a Valentine's Day, coffee get soaked with chocolate and rose.
Lisa, if me love get my house up, not even you can say with your pampers jog. That's a camera.
This is my father. This is my father. And I see one trouble.
There's a picture of her in her school uniform when she was 13 years old and was introduced to the Gaza boss.
Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have a lot to get into. There is an article. They're claiming that Lisa Hype finally exposed what vybz KARTEL did to her when she was 13 years old. Also, there are people on social media from the community that are coming on live and exposing and confirming these things. So if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest updates. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and check out these hot topics.
There's one thing about mental illness, you know. See me how I put my nose? Mental illness is very honest. It's a very honest sickness. And it unravels like an onion, and over time it sheds. But 99% of the time it's honest. There's a very heartbreaking and disturbing thing going around that I saw this morning of Lisa Hyper outlined her ordeal. There's a picture of her in her school uniform when she was 13 years old and was introduced to the Gaza boss. The article further said that she was groomed, and during her time she got pregnant several times and had to do away with the baby. She was forced to do oral, and the videos leaked to the public for popularity of our abuser. It is said that her monies, she don't get her money, and several times she was beaten by her abuser. And the article further said, why are we hailing her abuser while she's dying in silence? That thing break me so till I don't know how to break anymore, because you know that I am a victim. But where is Lisa Hyper's mother? You need to come forward and tell the public what happened to your daughter, you know. Who was Lisa Hyper's caregiver? Do you know that those matters cannot die? They can always go before the court. Who was Lisa's caregiver when she was left to an abuser who do all kind of abuse to her, contributing to her having mental health issues?
So you hear what the expert said. She said basically this is the reason why Lisa Hype is flipping out. This is what triggered her episode. Now that's how she feels. But Shorty brother, him Iggy for a long time, him all like threatened to lick her down. This is what he said. And before we get into that clip, make sure you guys like the video. Like up the video, like up the video. Check this out.
Rise and fall Lisa with a big belly where can't go down. Where every man breathe up. Cause some of that man. And that's why KARTEL shots saying, start saying. Yeah, man, KARTEL start sometime, not them days because my fucking cross is like, you know. That's why KARTEL start. Because your cross is. Lisa, if me love get my house up, not even you can say with your pampers jog. That's a camera. I chuck your mother Lisa, dying for one I grew them all, you see. Your fuck you Christian pen is not a place where you go walk up and down. And where you go there free. You never know. But I did die and I want to buck you over one of them parts up on me there, see. Because I don't care who want to bring you over here. Tell Shorty there that make you get a blood. I'm with a box of myself, bitch. You're too bright. Sit down and this man's sister and chat up a bag of thing. Feel like we're busy about people, but I see people like you, but Christian friend. I feel like I walk over ground, you know.
So this man was asked in the street randomly, you know, why you think we're wrong with Lisa Hype? He must say, actually she not get no sex and cocky and mother. Listen to what he said. Check this out.
KARTEL is the fucker. You understand me? And when him come, it's like him duck her. You understand me? She expect the love what she used to get, and she not get it. And when you take a whole heap of long cocky man and get blood clot blind, and she not get no look pan. Them things that will drive people insane. If I did all the money, I don't want to tell how much gunshot him got blood clot get. But she can't shoot nobody or kill nobody. So fear, frustration come out in a different manner. All she want is just the confidence for no so boy she go alright. Cause she not alright because she not getting no attention.
So there were some people that was joining a live. This lady sounds like she was from the community that Lisa was from, or she either know somebody we know Lisa, because she was saying a lot of things about, you know, when she did younger and what happened with her father and a bag of things. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. But before we get into the video, make sure you like the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and check this out.
This from my father. This from my father for her. And I see one trouble.
Jesus Christ, taught the things, my girl, taught the things.
Yes,
people now listen when she talk. When she
people now listen. People now, you see the community where she live. People now listen because the community where Lisa I live, you know. If them could have come on live now and them a listen to we, you know, and them a say watch them don't even know nothing and them a chat.
Yep.
So
Yep.
It's a spiritual warfare, and how she's going to get delivered. Yeah, I don't want to talk certain things from this, you
have to be careful, right.
Nobody say me I call them name. You understand? If you recognize what she say about somebody on the group, and she laugh, and I say no say, you see demons know everything.
Yes, they do.
Everything. You understand what I say? So, and guess what? Demons know everything. Let me tell you, cartel come in and make it look like everything good, you know. But good, not good in them life. Because guess what? Cartel come and dash out certain things from them. You understand? But still inside, they are battling up with hurt and pain.
No, cartel.
Money can't help we.
No. Let me tell you something. That is wrong. Listen to me. Give me a chance. Cartel is coming on a different page. No. You see that hole he was sitting in? He had to reflect. He may not cause people to die. He may not physically put his hand and make people die. He did some things. Okay? He paid his karma. But you see what she's going through? It's not just Cartel. It's everybody, because she lists a lot of names.
Alright guys, moving on to the next topic. So for a while now, everybody was saying Chrissy should come out and make a statement regarding the allegations with her husband and her stepdaughter. So she finally broke her silence. Before we get into the clip, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and check this out.
And I know what I will do and what I would not do. And I'm a woman of integrity, and I have morals, and I keep saying that. And I'm a mother of 4 girls. And if anybody who watches my videos back then would understand that Chrissy is all about her kids. Chrissy is that mother. And I put myself there. I said this a few years ago that I will never ever answer anyone on social media unless they attack my kids. Right? And I was put in a position that I could not say nothing, and only people who have sense will understand why I still cannot say anything. I went on fasting. I don't want to listen.
What Chrissy can't do, she can't leave her husband.
And I'm sorry for anyone who feels disappointed based on what they see and what's going on. I'm extremely sorry. I am so sorry. But I just can't. I just cannot. I cannot. God is amazing. I think this is one of the worst things I've ever experienced. Ever. My father passed away. You know what I realized too? The enemy wants me to be angry. And let me tell you something. I do get angry. But I catch myself in anger and I rebuke it. I do get angry. I do. Who don't? I'm a human being. We get angry. There's not an agreement. I don't agree. But I get to understand. I started to pray for understanding. For, you know, just understand why things are the way they are. Just understand why people are doing what they're doing. Just understand. And I know a lot of people still not going to get it. But you see that fasting, that's really what I come out. And I am not an emotional person. And every time I feel like I'm getting into that, them say, alright, yeah, Chrissy, pour out. It's okay to cry. I don't hold it back. But there's just something that sees it. Is it sees it? Cease and desist. Sees it. Yeah. That sees it. Guys, I'm at peace. I'm not angry. I'm at peace. The enemy tried to attack, because they did, and I thought they were gonna be successful, you know. I thought so, because me feel like me did I go mad. I just feel like me have to come say something. And everybody PR and everybody say understand. I do understand, and I see and I know what you're going through, but chill. All of that's what me just want to say. And after that conversation with everybody, that conference, I was like, you know what? In the first, them always say when you feel upset, because you just feel like, you know, you just want to explain yourself, but explaining yourself is gonna make things stir up more. This, that is just never done. So leave it. But I'm gonna say this, in the future to come, there's always a silver lining at the end. You hear me? There's always a silver lining, but it is hard, you know. I tell you.
The lady says she's at peace and she still can't talk about it, so we shouldn't judge. She said we're not for judge. So I guess time will tell what really happened. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.